Hello students, today we are going to discuss report writing. According to the dictionary, one of the meaning of the word report is an account or a statement. A report, therefore, is an account of events or the investigation and analysis of an area of interest or concern or a problem prepared for somebody's pursuit or for presentation at a particular forum. Reports are of several different kinds and may be prepared for diverse purposes. Here we shall look at how to prepare reports for newspapers or magazines or as part of some project undertaken by an individual or an institution. During your academic years, you may be expected to write reports for your college journal or prepare a brochure containing relevant information. You may also find yourself in a situation where you have to write a report focusing on the activities of a particular organization or record your observation on a given subject, giving your suggestion and or make recommendation for the improvement of a system. Most reports fall under one of the two kinds, informative and analytical. Points to remember: a report who has to cover an event, which could be anything ranging from a political rally, an accident, a fashion show, a conference, a strike, to a communal riot, would necessarily have to meet a reasonable number of people who were either involved in the event or were eyewitnesses. After detailed questioning and a thorough investigation, he or she would write the report, ensuring that all facts are accurate. Some of the points a news reporter must always remember are: to mention the date and place of the event, to make an accurate presentation of collected facts, to write in the third person, to avoid long-winded sentences that may confuse the reader, to add no facts that he thinks or assumes may have happened. Another point is to avoid using obscure and archaic words, to give his avoid giving his personal point of view, to be unbiased and objective, to avoid digression, to be brief and concise. On the other hand, a report writing about an issue, a problem, or people and make a note of their views, but the manner in which he prepares his final report may be quite distinct from a news report. Hence, the reporter has the freedom to start with a brief introduction and can go on to quote from the material he has collected. He may also draw analogies, rely on events from the past, even from a correlation between cause and effect. After a detailed presentation of facts and figures, as the case may be, in the end he can draw his own conclusion. Though it is never wise to either be biased or to generalize, a writer may put forth his views in a subtle manner without sounding aggressive or whimsical. Such reports may also be written in the form of speeches or articles, though here the report writing need not to be as compact as a news report. The writer must nevertheless be conscious of the constraints of space and time, neither of which are ever unlimited. It may be useful to bear in mind here that writing a speech is quite different from any other kind of writing, simply because while most writing is put together to be read and studied, a speech is written to necessarily be spoken and heard. And herein lies the essence of speech writing. While writing a speech, remember to open the speech with ladies and gentlemen, or whosoever it is who needs to be addressed first, to start with an interesting and relevant story or anecdote, to keep the style conversation, to avoid long and complicated sentences that may be difficult to memorize and deliver, to occasionally use an interrogative style which keeps the audience involved. I wonder if you know that, or are you aware? To write in a simple way that is easy to understand, have a natural flow of ideas, and be lucid. However, let it not slip into sounding flippant and non-serious. There is a thin line of dividing the two, to sound knowledge but not overbearing and presumptions. To do your homework well, the facts that you present must be accurate and authentic. To avoid being repetitive, a short, crisp speech is always more effective than a heavy, lengthy presentation, replete with overlapping ideas. To conclude well, you could sum up, emphasize, or make an appeal. Writing a report on an article for a magazine or a journal is going to be a different cup of tea altogether. While the material you put on paper may be more or less the same, the manner in which you do so will be quite different. Remember, to choose, if you have the option, a topic that is likely to be a common interest to most of your prospective readers. To keep your writing light and breezy, dull, ponderous composition tend to put most readers off. To use simple language and commonly used words, to be brief and crisp, it would be a pity if your article were to be rejected for being too lengthy. To be interesting and humorous, if possible, some examples of report, both news and otherwise, illustrating the above patterns are given below. A number of them have been reproduced from newspapers, magazines, and other authentic sources, so as to give you a fair idea of some real reporting.